Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a product review again. So if you're new to my channel, that is what I do here on my channel. I review products, I do makeup tutorials, and also some lifestyle videos here and there. So if that is the type of videos you like to watch, then definitely hit that subscribe button. It is the red button and word that's going across the screen. It is absolutely free and it will definitely help my channel out. So definitely do so. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the new brand hot on the market in Sephora, One Size. And I'm going to be talking about removing some products off my face with this brand. So this is their juiciest makeup remover wipes, as well as their makeup dissolving mist. So if you want to see my thoughts on this and how we're going to get rid of this beat right here, then keep on watching. All right guys, so again, this is a new brand, and this was the first launch they came out with, which was their makeup removing products. This brand is by Patrick Starr. I'm sure you guys know who he is, but this brand is a One Size is the brand name, and this is the Go Off Juiciest Makeup Remover Wipes. There's 21 wipes in here. I believe they're 15. They retail for $15 or $18. I'll list it here on the screen. And then I also picked up the travel size of the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. And I picked up travel size because I wanted to test it out first. The wipes do come in a travel size, but I feel like I'll use these more. So it all depends on what you want to use and how you want to use it. But we're going to go ahead and talk about these. So in the wipes, it says, because size matters, our giant super saturated wipes remove even the most stubborn makeup with one juicy wipe. For the ultimate makeup removal experience, pair with Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist and follow with Daily Face Cleanser. To remove your full beat of makeup, pair with Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist, as I said. And this is cruelty-free and vegan. The Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist is an epic continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact. Infused with calming jojoba and brightening rosehip oils, makeup is removed without leaving skin feeling tight or dry. Our concentrated water-free formula creates a no-drip, super slick surface for the ultimate makeup removal. So let's just dig in and try this out, girl. So I have a full beat on my face, so I'm going to remove my lashes. I'm actually going to spray just a little bit on a Q-tip because I want to remove my lashes the safe way. I know sometimes we get in a rush or we just want to pull them off and we just yank them, but that's really not the safest way to do it. So I'm just going to put my mirror up closer. I'm just going to put a little bit on the Q-tip and rub it along the lash band, just so that I can remove them without it pulling or tugging. All right, so got the lashes off, and it already did a really good job removing the lashes. So we're gonna spray our face. I know on his campaign he said to do the letter O and the letter S to symbolize one size, so we're gonna just do what we can. I'm gonna focus on my eyes though, because on my eyes I do have One Size eye popper eyeshadow on. We're gonna go ahead and this feels like I didn't spray anything on my face, but it smells really good. I just want to make sure I get the eyes. Let me just, okay, maybe I put it too directly to my eyes, but hold on. Okay, don't do what I just did, like spraying it directly in your eye like that, but this is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the makeup with the wipe. It is not dripping, but I feel like it's like breaking up the makeup on my face, if that makes any sense. It's definitely a weird feeling right now, but wow, nevertheless, it's definitely like not dripping. I'm just shocked about that. This is the One Size wipe, and I have my Neutrogena wipes here just so I can show you guys a comparison. This is the Neutrogena wipe. This is the One Size wipe. So definitely a huge difference in size. So we're gonna go ahead and take the One Size wipe and go ahead and wipe off everything. This is crazy. Okay, hold on. hold on, this can't be. Wow, this literally took off everything. Like, I have just a little bit of glitter left over, but not a massive amount. I know that when I use just my regular Neutrogena wipes when trying to wipe off glitter makeup, the glitter it's just so much glitter that I can't even get it off. But this basically took off everything, and this is with 2 sides. I know that kind of looks disgusting, but this took off both sides of my face, like crazy. I don't have any glue left over on my eyes. A little bit of mascara, but that's because I didn't want to keep spraying this. But I feel like these work hand in hand, the wipe and the spray, especially if you have a full-on makeup. And I noticed with the one size wipe that it stayed kind of damp the entire time. I know sometimes when you use a wipe, by the time you get to the other side of your face, it's kind of dried out. This didn't do that, so I really do like that. And the size, like, first of all, the size is amazing to get all over your face. So there's room, there's time to get to the other side. I would give these a thumbs up. If I had to choose either or, if you're not into wearing heavy makeup, then I would suggest just getting the wipes, because they're definitely accessible and easy to just wipe off everything. And like I said, it does come in a travel size. But if you like to wear full-on makeup, I would suggest pairing the 2 as he recommended. So yeah, again, cruelty-free, vegan, and they smell really, really good. Everything smells so good. Like, it's not like a scent that's irritating. It feels like my skin doesn't feel dry. It's not a scent that I feel like, oh my gosh, I gotta wash my face right now. Although I'm about to go wash my face, but it's not one of those scents where it's like, oh my gosh, my face is feeling like it's breaking out. Absolutely not. My face feels comfortable. It feels hydrated and moisturized. It doesn't feel dry or ashy. This is really good. Kudos to Patrick Starr. Comment down below if you tried the wipes or the spray, whichever one. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're interested in trying it. Like I said, I'll have the prices listed on the screen, but I really enjoyed trying this out and removing my makeup with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.